Welcome to My Vision Express Company Information Setup. To access the Company Information screen, select File, Setup, Company Information from the main application menu. The Company Information Setup screen is where you enter the basic information about each one of your business locations. Here you can specify the address, office hours, logo, and commissionable items for each one of them. There are also global settings that will affect the entire practice, such as the application security configuration and the internet configuration. You can also use this screen to synchronize your inventories among the different locations. Remember to click Save on the main application toolbar when you are done entering modifications on the Company Information screen. Select a location listed in the top panel of the Company tab and enter the pertinent company information in the Details section in the bottom panel. This information will be used on your receipts, lab copies, insurance claims, and some letters. The company code is the location that you are currently logged into and is displayed on the application title bar. Multi-location practices will have a different company code for each location. The Add button will be visible only when you purchase an additional location license and a My Vision Express representative connects to your computer to add the new location to the list. The Delete button allows you to delete a location from the list. If you would like to copy inventory items from all locations to one specific location, highlight the desired location and click on the button for the specific inventory type that you would like to copy: frames, contacts, spectacle, and other services. This will copy each unique inventory item from all the other locations to the highlighted location. This tab specifies the settings that are specific to the individual location. In the Location Settings section, enter the default lens RX expiry, default contacts RX expiry, and/or default RX pad expiry in months. These values will be used to calculate the expiration date on the different prescription types based on the prescription date. You can choose not to print the company information on the header of pre-printed receipt forms by clearing this box. If your practice does not use Eyefinity or VSP, clear the Eyefinity checkbox. This will remove, once you restart the application, the VSP tab from at the end of the company information screen, the Eyefinity options on order screens, the VSP authorization options from the patient profiles, and the option to submit a claim in the insurance screen. Specify your cylinder preference with either the plus, negative, or none radio buttons. The negative radio button is selected by default. To assign an X-Charge transaction folder for the selected location, click on the checkbox next to the X-Charge transaction folder and locate the appropriate folder in your computer. Enter the merchant ID for the selected location in the X-Charge merchant ID field. Separate X-Charge merchant IDs can be created for individual locations to allow users to pull up separate X-Charge reports for each of those locations. If no X-Charge merchant ID is specified, the X-Charge reports will load for the default merchant. Use the Location Default Tax Rates section to apply up to 2 separate tax rates for products and/or services offered at your practice. The Sunglass Tax Rate field applies taxes on any frame sold on an order that does not include prescription lenses. The RX Frame Tax Rate field applies taxes on any frame sold that includes prescription lenses. In the next video, we will continue with company information and get to system settings.